my channel. Today's video is very exciting because we are going to unbox a new tool by the brand FHI Heat. This is the Curve Pro Styling Iron 1. It has an ergonomic curved design. It has ultra fast tourmaline ceramic plates which provides a smooth hydration. So pumped to try this out for hair innovators. That's what the FHI stands for. I have not tried this out. I just took it out of the box to unbox it for you guys. It looks so beautiful. I love this box. I won't be able to throw it out. This is the type of box that has a magnet here. So you open it up. You have the straightener right here on a velvety plastic holder. Freaking beautiful. Do you see how elegant this hair straightener is? It has like a velvet finish to it, and you have rose gold accents, which is what I freaking love. It's so chic, very beautiful. I love how curvy it looks. It looks very stubby, but it's super lightweight. It's designed to perfectly fit your hand while you're holding it. That's why it's curved. You have the cable rolled up, and it has a little cap on the plug to protect it, and it has Velcro to hold the cable so you don't get this cable tangled. It's super easy to put it in the Velcro. I love that this straightener has a lock and it has an unlock button which protects the plates. One of my straighteners had caps that you slide in to protect the plate, but I prefer this over the little caps that you put in. I would normally misplace the cap, so I really appreciate this. You press and it opens up. It's so freaking cool. I love this. And on the other side, you see the button is sticking out, and then when you want to lock it, all you have to do is close and push that button in to hold the straightener together. I love the rose gold detail. You have the on and on button, and I'm assuming this is the LED little screen. I really love that this hair straightener has a rotating cable, so when you're curling your hair, your cable is not gonna get tangled. I always look for this in hair straighteners. Oh my god, it looks so beautiful, guys. Obviously, this velvety part will definitely get dirty very fast. I have other straighteners like that where you can just wipe it with a microfiber and it will clean it up. Temperature settings are 265 to 450 Fahrenheit. You have a little booklet in here in which it shows you what temperature settings you should be using according to the type of hair you have. You have 4 hair types, so you have fragile, very fine. You should be using 265 to 300 Fahrenheit. If your hair is fine, you should be using 320 to 340 Fahrenheit. If your hair is medium textured, then 355 to 375. If you have thick hair, you should be using it at 395 to 410. And if you have coarse, very thick hair, then you should be using it at 430 to 450. I'm gonna be using mine 365 to 300 because it is very fine. When you're pressing the button, you see every temperature setting. You have 265, 300, 320, 340, 355, 375, 395, 410, 430, 450. So once you see that number and you leave it at that, it's gonna count down or count up towards that number. We're at 300. My hair is regularly straight, but because I had it in a hair tie, it created that wave. So I'm not mad about that wave. I'm gonna show you 3 different hairstyles that I do with my hair straightener. So let's go. The first one is all straight. I have my hairbrush right here. And I might speed up because, you know, we don't want this video to be super long. But let's see the difference. When I straighten my hair, I don't really like to do sections because my hair is already naturally straight. So I'm just like grabbing some hair as I go. And there we go. You see that? When you pass the straightener through the hair and then you touch it, wow. It's like silky smooth. I mean, if you're that kind of person that does it in section, it's up to you. When I straighten my hair, this is how I straighten it. There we go. And for here, this inner part, I regularly go like this. I don't like to go too close to my baby hairs because if I do my baby hairs, they're just gonna stick out. But yeah, there we go. You guys see the difference? Ooh, I love it. For this piece, I normally like to kind of wave it so that it doesn't stick out. I normally go like that, okay? And try not to go over so much. See, I overdid it. These baby hairs kind of frizzed up there. And there we go. We got both sides done. Super straight, super fast. So now we're moving on to the second hairstyle that I normally do when my hair is straight. Super easy to achieve, and we're gonna try it with this. I like to curve the ends. People do that with their hair dryer, but I don't have that roll hairbrush, so I can't do it like that. So my alternative is to use this. Any hairstyle that I do is just how I do it. I'm not a professional at doing hair. It may not be perfect, but I like it. For this one, I do kind of part a little bit of the hair. I normally start from the back. You want it to be even. So keep your hand steady, and then you curve it up. And there you go. You guys see that? That's so pretty. You want to push it back. You, like I said, straight. Curve it up like that. And we are going to curve it one more time. There we go. Because my hair is so straight, it won't stay that way the whole day. So you can either put hairspray if you want. I don't like to put hairspray for this. But maybe it will help. There we go. Curl it. Ta-da! These little hairs don't matter because you want just the bottom of your hair. If you have layers, this kind of hairstyle will look amazing on you. See that? Oh my god. You just want to kind of fix this one because when I got my short hair, they did kind of like a little bit of layering. See that? So pretty. I love that so much. You can actually see what kind of hairs are missing the curves, so you can definitely do those, but not so much because they're not really at the very end. It's a different length. Look how pretty. Also, I tend to do weird faces when I do my hair. I tend to squint like this. Now let me show you guys the end results. This is what you get, and they look really pretty. Doesn't have to be perfect. This is my favorite hairstyle to do with the hair straightener because you could do your hair in a ponytail. You guys see that? I love that. You can do your half ponytail. Look at that. It's so beautiful. You can do the half ponytails like this. I can't do it, but you guys get the point. I was like 12 when I got my hair stuck in that round brush. I've feared that kind of brush ever since, so hair straightener is all I need. Now that we've tested these two looks, and now we're gonna try curling my hair. Let's part my hair now in the center. Hopefully it is. You know what? It doesn't even matter if it's not perfect. I'm gonna grab, again, a piece of hair. I got my clip, okay guys? My hair was annoying me. I'm gonna put it at 320 because I am curling my hair. I want the curl to actually stay. So when I first start with the strand of hair, I'm gonna start by curling outwards like this. And then you wanna hold and then just slide. Slide, slide, slide. I actually don't slide all the way till the end. Oh, there you go. But that's too much, but it's okay because my hair is so straight, the curl won't last so long, unless it will. There's so many baby hairs. Okay, so this one's gonna go inwards. I always do one in, one out, one in, one out, one in, and so on until the middle. Oh wow, this part curled. So I'm gonna do inwards as well because that's all I can think about. Nope, this strand of hair doesn't want to get curled. I am gonna move on with another hair and then come back because that hair doesn't want to curl. We are going to curl this one outwards. And down. There we go. Oh, might have grabbed too much hair here. Let's do this inward. Outwards. And pull, 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 pull. And let go. There you go. Bam. I lost track of which way I'm curling. I'm gonna curl inwards. So pretty. This part in here. All the ones that are on the edges, I like to do them, outwards, like this. There you go. This is going to be inwards. And the last one is going to be outwards. Always outwards. There we go. Just like that. Wow. You see the difference? Holy guys. My curls have never been this curly with other hair straighteners. I love it. What do you guys think? There's still this strand of hair that doesn't want to curl, and I don't know why. And it's not the straightener. I tried it with a different straightener and it doesn't want to curl. It's just my hair. So we're gonna try and curl it right now. Somewhat. There you go. Okay, now I'm gonna curl this side. This is how curly it becomes. None of my hair straighteners leave them this curly and bouncy. I'm just gonna brush my hair through because it's a little bit too curly for me. And here too. Brush, brush, brush. You can keep it this way. You can part it the other way. It's up to you. I like to do it like that because I can switch it up. Switch it up. I really love it. What do you guys think? And that is everything I regularly do with my hair straightener. I am absolutely impressed by how well the curl turned out. There was one hair that didn't want to curl, and that wasn't the iron's fault because I tried with a different iron and it still didn't want to curl. I don't know what was wrong with that piece of hair of mine. And I actually got it to curl with this one. It curls your hair, it waves your hair. You can actually use the curving method with this, and it straightens your hair. Leaves it so smooth and soft. From packaging to how it works, the different amount of temperature settings that it has. Really love this. If you are looking for a hair straightener, I definitely recommend the Curve Pro Styling Iron 1. It's actually a brand new launch, and I'm so happy to have the opportunity to give this a try. It actually retails for $200, but it is on sale right now for $160. So make sure to head over there if you are interested. Now that completes this video. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, please don't forget to leave a thumbs up. Also, leave in the comments down below your thoughts on the Curve Pro Styling Iron 1, and also which one was your favorite hairstyle that I did. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!